Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am bringing you a great opportunity to work from home once again. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. The name of this company is United Health Group. They are hiring for associate enrollment and eligibility representative and enrollment specialist national remote position. All right, the primary location is Dallas, Texas, but this is a remote position. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it and talk about what you're going to be doing on the job and all other characteristics and responsibilities. Okay, so this position is full time, it's Monday through Friday, and employees are required to work their normal business hours, which is 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's Central Standard Time. And if they offer this job in other states, then you just want to just convert that time. Okay, all right. And so they offer 5 weeks of paid training. The hours during training will be 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Monday through Friday. And then training will be conducted virtually from your home. All right. So they have these primary responsibilities that you would need to understand and know how to do. So you'll serve as a primary contact as it relates to all enrollment tasks for assigned book of business, which also includes multiple group customers, and then maintaining satisfied customers by providing superior service. So you all know that that just all goes into great customer service, okay? And bringing that quality. You're going to be answering member, provider, and group customer phone calls. You're also going to have to adhere to department expectations for answering the calls, and you need to provide a friendly customer service, all right? And then also follow established procedures to maintain enrollment data in applicable systems such as databases, customer requests, electronic filing, internal reports. You need to be able to seek guidance from superiors like your supervisor or your team lead to find out what the standards are, okay, when you're enrolling in the customer. All right. And so then also, once fully trained, you're going to take ownership of assigned workload following established procedures. So you're going to frequently or periodically, it may require you to, guidance sometimes from your superiors, but you'll be able to work alone after training. And if you need the help, they'll have that opportunity for you to reach out to them to get that assistance. All right. So this is the type of job that they offer here. And so you're going to read, interpret, and communicate eligibility requirements following plain guidelines to the customer. You're going to have to follow all departmental guidelines to manage and prioritize your own workload. All right. And then review moderately complex error reports. You're going to analyze member enrollment data and correct enrollment system based on the findings. So if you see an error, you're going to have to go in and fix it, which means just updating the situation or updating the system in the customer's account. Resolve customer inquiries as they relate to enrollment and eligibility through all lines of communication, including emails, phone calls. You're going to provide customer service in a friendly and professional manner, and then document call details in applicable systems. So basically, when you're answering the call, if a customer calls in and they have an error in the system and it needs to be updated, you will make sure you reach out to the necessary person and staff on calls to make sure that you're able to update that accordingly, and you'll go in and fix that issue for the customer in that area, if that makes sense. So you'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance on this job. All right, it may be a little challenging to some, but if you've been in customer service before, then you kind of understand the concepts of how that works when you're handling and assisting customers. So your qualifications are: you need a high school diploma, a GED equivalent, or the work experience, and then you must be 18 years of age for this job, 1+ years of experience helping customers resolve matters. As I mentioned before, if you worked in customer service, then you have that experience. Experience with computers and Windows PC applications, things of that sort. Then also experience with Microsoft Word, and have the ability to sort, filter, and create simple documents like Microsoft Excel, things of that sort and that nature, which are spreadsheets. Also, being able to use Microsoft Outlook as well, and then having the ability to work the 8-hour shift that they recommend, okay, and require. So, preferred qualifications, once again, 1 years of experience in the health insurance industry. All right, it's preferred, but it's not required, okay, guys? So, don't get scared there. Always see that as what that means, okay? 1+ years of experience in enrollment, eligibility for employer offered benefits as well. Then telecommuting is a requirement that they have. So, ability to keep all of your company sensitive documents secure. All right. So, when you're in a room, you make sure you have a door. And when you're not at your desk, you want to turn your computer off and shut all of the systems down. Required to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from other living areas. Okay. So, just as I mentioned, having a door to your room and shutting the information down for security of the customer's information. Okay, you don't want there to be any data breaches. You must live in a location that can receive a United Health Group approved high-speed internet connection. So you want to make sure that your internet connection can handle, okay, the data that will be pulled and the systems that are going to be used. All right. And then you need your soft skills on, okay, guys? Ability to navigate a computer while speaking on the phone. So you need to be able to be multitasking, okay? Because they may have more than one screen that you need to have up, and you need to be able to maneuver. All right, be able to be professional, have great oral communication skills to assist the customer. You need to be able to practice time management. You need to be someone who can prioritize your skills and meet the necessary, deadlines that they have. All right, and be able to be someone that needs minimal supervision. Like I said it before, you're not always going to have someone hovering over you after training. After training, that's why you want to pay attention in training and make sure you get the concept and the understanding of what you're going to be doing so you know your job. All right. Some people don't do that and they have all these million questions, and then, your job may see you as someone who didn't pay attention in training and you're not taking this job serious. All right. So put forth your best effort. All right. And then physical and work environment, you need to be able to frequent speaking, listening, using a headset, sitting, using your hands, and things of that sort. So you need to be someone that's capable of sitting and speaking to people. That needs to be something that you're willing to do and you're interested in, okay? So California, Colorado, Connecticut, Hawaii, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, Washington, Rhode Island residents only. The hourly range for California and all of the states that I just mentioned is $16 to $28 to 28.27 per hour, okay? So the pay is based on several factors, including but not limited to the education, work experience, certifications, in addition to your salary. So if you're looking for a certain amount, you might want to mention, your certifications, your work experience to them. If you're in these states, or even if you're not in these states, you still want to give it a go, okay? Because you want to be paid what you're worth, really. Okay, especially if you've been in the business for over 15 plus years and you know your stuff. All right, so they have like equity stock purchase and 401k contributions, a comprehensive benefit package, incentives and recognition programs, things of that sort, guys. So it seems like it's a pretty decent job if you're interested. All you have to do is click here to apply for the job. It'll generate this page. It's saying that it cannot be completed. Oh, okay, there you go. So then you'll just scroll down. It can be completed. You'll just scroll down and go through it, guys, and go all the way down to the bottom, and then you'll click I accept. So it can be completed. You'll click I accept, and then it'll move you over to the next level so that you can apply for this job. Okay, guys? Well, that's it. That's my time. I'd like to thank you so much for tuning in. And the link will be in the description box. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys. Ciao.